Hey guys, Kurt here from Ongoing Adventures. Right, today, a little bit of a small video of replacing the indicator assembly in RG Colorado, but I believe it's very similar across most of the brands of cars, or cars, four-wheel drive, utes. It's very similar, different screw patterns and stuff like that and such. I believe there are some where you actually have to take off the steering wheel. I think like the older Hiluxes and stuff like that. But again, the start of the process is very similar, where how the screws all work. But you don't have to remove the steering wheel with the Colorados. I don't think any of the Commodores or anything like that you have to do. I think it's very similar across the board there. I think the Isuzu D-Maxes, they're all very similar, obviously, because they're very similar shape. They were partnered with Colorado for a very long time, so they're all the same as well. So, but we're going to look at my RG today. First off, I got to remove all this out and bring the ute in. So let's get cracking. Let's do it. Right, so now I've got the Colorado in. Let's start pulling the dash apart. I believe it's pretty simple, so let's have a look. I'll meet you guys in there, hey? All right, now we're in here. Got my socket set. Got a bit of a light just to help me out a little bit. Now, I believe underneath for this is specific for the Colorado, but as I said, I believe they're very similar across the board with different cars. So some are a little bit harder, some are a little bit easier, but I think it's all generally basically the same, especially your D-Maxes. Most of them should all be the same, obviously. I think the Hiluxes, I think either the Hilux you actually got to take the steering wheel off, which is not hard because I think behind the steering wheel there's like 2 holes or something, and you pop out your airbag, you pull that out, and it's the whole steering assembly on the front. I'm not sure about the newer ones, I know they're the older ones. Yeah, so that's the indicator high beam assembly through there. All right. What we'll do, I think there's 2 prongs. You got one on the top just here, and you got one on the bottom underneath here somewhere. All right. So we'll play around with that and get it off. All right. So there we have it. Pins out. We'll pull the indicator out. Alright, there we have it. Indicator's out. Pretty simple stuff. Now, put it all back together again. Pretty easy though. Not much to it. So what I'll do is, I'll just put yours on the other side, watch me do it, and yeah, as I said, I've shown you how to pull it apart. Pretty simple stuff. Yeah, alright, we'll grab the new one and in she goes. Right, back in the car, new one in. Now I did find when I did it, it was a lot easier to insert it a little bit first, then put your plugs in the back, okay? And then clip it all the way in and you're good to go. All right. Remember, just don't do them too tight. They're only just to hold it in place. So, all right, thanks guys, appreciate it. It's excellent. We got all we needed done today. We refitted the new indicator. Everything works green, and we're good to keep cruising. Just remember, if you're gonna do it, don't go buy genuine. Go to your local wrecker, see what they have, do it that way. It's just, especially like, even though it's 2016, it's 7-year-old. It's still quite expensive for genuine GM parts. I believe I was quoted $450 just for that indicator assembly. Local wrecker for a 2019 model, same thing. Everything's exactly the same. $30. So actually, I did buy a steering wheel for it too from that same Colorado. Everything should fit just a dream. So hopefully when he pulls that off for me, I'll be able to fit that on as well. So, but yeah, thanks guys. Appreciate you coming along for this bit of a journey, especially my first video. Yeah, definitely appreciate it. So hopefully you'll be seeing more and more of me on ongoing adventures. Keep up the good work.
And just like that, another episode of Ongoing Adventures is done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to all your friends and family. And I'll catch you on the next one.